If you've ever experienced total stage fright, and what actor hasn't, Lee Strasberg's song and dance exercise combined with Linkletter and Alexander techniques is essential. It's called Song and Dance, but it's not a show. It's all about you. It's deep, powerful voice and alignment work, and all about connecting to your instrument and your acting partners. The actor crosses the line from being an audience member to being in front of people. It's a terrifying line to cross for some actors. It involves standing in your own power, in your own vulnerability. Actors focus on each person in the class, moment to moment. They sing a nursery rhyme, syllable by syllable. Sometimes they tell a story or a secret about themselves, but no words are ever said. It's all through the text, as it should be, because secrets and private thoughts are more powerful that way, and the craft of acting is respected. The next part of Song and Dance is a ritualized series of movements that challenge the will, where the syllables are loud and explosive. The final part is called Jazz Dance, where the actor's spontaneity and ability to juggle more is challenged. The Jazz Dance is really, really difficult for some people to get, but it's an amazing tool that you can use with text, and it makes you learn text in a whole visceral way that nothing else does. If you can do it with song and dance, you can do it when anything's happening. Some of the people in my classes have been doing this exercise daily, and they also find that doing it before auditions or before doing a scene, or even on set if they have the time and the space, can really benefit their performance. It really gets you going, especially if you've been sitting for a long time.